What if I told you that Huawei claims its computing power is 3 times more efficient than NVIDIA's AI chips? Is this bold assertion real or mere marketing? And if true, could it reshape who leads the AI future, China or the US? Wherever you are in the world, if you want sharp insight on AI, chips, and tech power struggles, subscribe now and join us. Welcome to StockScope AI, your window into global tech and stock frontiers. Let's continue. Huawei executive Zhang Ping'an recently claimed that Huawei's computing power already outperforms NVIDIA's AI chips 3 times over. He argued that the real battle is not in process nodes, like 5 nanometers or 7 nanometers, but in computing efficiency, how much meaningful AI work you can do per energy, per latency. He cited that Huawei's Ascend Cloud service can generate 2,400 tokens per second on a single card with latency around 50 milliseconds. Due to US sanctions and prohibitions, Huawei cannot easily access cutting-edge chip foundries. So instead, Huawei has directed major investment into software, system architecture, and AI computing infrastructure, rather than purely chasing smaller nanometers. This shift lets Huawei optimize stack-level performance model, memory, scheduling, interconnect rather than rely solely on cutting-edge fabrication. The quoted 2,400 tokens per second plus 50 milliseconds latency claim is ambitious, but what does it reflect? How does that compare with NVIDIA's real-world benchmarks on similar workloads? Huawei says Ascend Cloud runs large language models like Pangu and also third-party models like DeepSeek and Kimi. If Huawei can run those models efficiently, that's a proof of concept for its architecture and optimization strategy. A lot depends on whether Huawei's metrics are actually comparable using the same model, dataset, and conditions. You know, energy efficiency claims are often cherry-picked metrics, and real-world deployment might look pretty different. Without access to top-tier fabs like TSMC or Samsung, Huawei's chip hardware could lag behind in density, yield, or power. And scaling up globally? That's a whole other challenge, with supply chain, export control, and trust barriers all coming into play. If Huawei truly delivers 3 times more computing efficiency than NVIDIA, this could mark a seismic shift in the global AI landscape. Because right now, NVIDIA dominates the world's AI hardware ecosystem. Its GPUs power ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, Meta's Llama, and nearly every frontier AI lab. But imagine if Huawei can deliver the same or even better AI results using less energy, fewer chips, and lower costs. That could disrupt NVIDIA's dominance and help China accelerate its AI independence, despite US export bans. This efficiency edge would also allow Huawei Cloud to attract more enterprise and AI developers, especially across Asia, Africa, and Latin America regions looking for alternatives to US-based cloud providers. And let's not forget, every percentage increase in computing efficiency directly lowers AI training costs, a crucial bottleneck in large-scale model deployment. So, while the world debates 5 nanometer versus 3 nanometer, Huawei may be quietly rewriting the rules of AI scalability through architecture, not lithography. This contest isn't just about chips, it's about who controls the world's AI future. The US and its allies rely heavily on NVIDIA, TSMC, and advanced Western fabs. China, on the other hand, is betting on domestic innovation where Huawei's Ascend platform becomes the foundation of a new AI ecosystem that's sovereign and sustainable. If Huawei can prove consistent performance, reliability, and developer support, it could redefine AI compute economics and bring balance to the global AI race. But the question remains, can Huawei sustain this lead under ongoing sanctions? And can it scale production fast enough to compete globally with NVIDIA's next-gen Blackwell GPUs? One thing is certain, the AI chip war is no longer about size, it's about efficiency, resilience, and accessibility. So, what do you think? Could Huawei really surpass NVIDIA in AI computing efficiency, or is it just clever marketing? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the next big AI tech shift, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Skepticism AI, bringing you the stories shaping the AI revolution. See you in the next one.